So guys, I have this blue hoverboard, and I just need some help on the comments. My hoverboard will not turn on. Okay, let's get right to it. Okay, so this is my hoverboard. And let me turn it around for you real quick. And as you can see, if I press the power button, nothing happens. It just doesn't work. And I was wondering if you guys knew anything to do about that. Leave it in the comments, and peace.